Digital economy, communication, technology, customer, community, network, social media. VMC, the Vascellari media channel.
Says, as an owner of many, I mean many, O'Reilly books, I would love to know how Tim feels his books have contributed to Web2 online.
Interesting question. There was a day, back in the 90s, we ran an ad campaign that said the internet was built on O'Reilly books. And in the 90s, that was absolutely the case. No question in my mind. The number of people who said, I learned everything from O'Reilly books, was huge. I think it's less true today, to be quite honest. More and more people, learn, from other people online. They learn from, online reference material. I think we continue to play a role in, canonizing technologies. People take something more seriously when we publish about it, and we know that, and we use it, consciously sometimes to say, hey, pay attention to this technology. So a great example, we just published a book about OpenCV. It's the computer vision library, open source computer vision library. Why? Because I think that this whole, first of all, I saw it was amazing that the collective intelligence techniques they're using in Web 2.0 applications are also the same ones used in computer vision. And I went, okay, that was again part of this integrative thinking of saying, oh, what's happening with sensors is actually the same thing that's happening with collective intelligence application. I need to make this connection for people. Right? So I have that sort of power to try to guide things a little bit. But I think as far as the internet is concerned, that revolution is well and truly launched, and the power of our publishing now is possibly in other areas, like what we're doing with Make Magazine in celebrating this new do-it-yourself movement. We brought it to prominence in a way that it was really invisible, whereas the internet was, when we were doing it in the 90s, we were preaching to the world. Now we're preaching to the converted.